Unleash the power of unparalleled immersion and dive into the future of storytelling with Nano Bananas, revolutionary 3D documentary techniques. First, let's explore how Nano Banana empowers you to generate breathtaking 3D visuals. The software utilizes advanced algorithms to transform your existing footage and assets into stunning stereoscopic content, creating a tangible sense of depth and presence for your viewers. Easily adjust depth maps and parallax settings within Nano Banana to fine-tune the immersive experience. Think of it as sculpting with light and space, drawing your audience directly into the narrative. But true immersion goes beyond just visuals. Nano Banana seamlessly integrates multimedia elements, layer in rich audioscapes, incorporate spatial audio, and strategically place text and graphics to guide your audience's attention within the three-dimensional space. Crafting a compelling narrative in 3D requires a new approach to storytelling. Nano Banana's intuitive interface allows you to map out your story in 3 dimensions, guiding the viewer's eye through the scene, highlighting key actions, and building emotional resonance with a sense of being present. With Nano Banana, you're not just showing your audience a story. You're inviting them to step inside it, captivate your viewers with the best in immersive storytelling, and redefine what a documentary can be.